Hello, I want to invite you to my speech in San Francisco. I'm Alfried Längle from Vienna, Austria. I'm a psychotherapist. I worked with Viktor Frankl for 10 years. I'm working in my private practice in Vienna and at different universities. And I'm coming to San Francisco to speak about existence, life, fulfillment in life, and the way how to come to a fulfilling life. The prerequisites, that what we need, the structure of existence, that what is interesting for us, how can we build up a good life, how can we engage ourselves, connect ourselves with the quality of life, with the quality of being oneself, with meaning and with the reality, and to combine all this and to come to a real personal, engaged life with inner consent and approval to what we do. This will be the topic of my main presentation in the EHI conference, EHI conference in San Francisco, and in the afternoon I will show how to apply this in practical work with counselors. The first part is open for people who don't even work with psychotherapy or counseling, who are just interested in looking at their own life and how they can improve it. The second part is interesting mostly for counselors and who work professionally with psychotherapy or counseling. And there will be panel discussion, there will be live demonstration, there is a lot going on this conference. So please come, you're welcome. I'm looking forward to meeting you there and to talk with you. Hello, hope to see you there. Goodbye.